I made this video a few days back. 6 scams and its solutions. I received some comments that I need some addressing to do since they're pretty important comments. Well, so the first comment, the guy's trying to tell me that he would give me free Nitro to make me believe that he's legit. Plus, he buys Nitros from countries like Argentina and Turkey where it's cheap and then sells it at cheaper price. These transactions are done using some sketchy foreign card methods. First of all, I don't want your free Nitro. And Discord has clearly mentioned that it's against their policy. There are posts about it everywhere. Plus your methods for acquiring foreign cards could be sketchy and violate those countries' laws or terms of service. You could put your users in jail for that. And your offer just screams trust me bro. This is why for me, you're a scammer. Guys, don't try this method. If you want Nitro, just buy it from Discord itself or wait for the offers. The second comment reads, if you want Nitro but you don't really have anything good, there's some real people that sell Nitro for other stuff than money. Like I have a whole server of my friend that sell Nitro for Robux. Don't fall for Nitro scam links or things like that because if they hack you and find your address etc., they can kidnap you and make you suffer at most times. Stay safe. But my question is, Discord and Roblox are separate platforms with no official way to trade Nitro for Robux. So is this even legit? Let me know in the comments section. Last but not least, Discord has new activity feature in channels. You can play games or watch YouTube with your friends. This is one way to keep your server active. So that's it from my side. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.